Hey Internet, it's David here. I'm in downtown Detroit, going out to do some urban photography today. First thing I'm gonna go check out is the Spirit of Detroit statue. Check out Canada from the view. And there's a giant fist there too. Well, here's the fist. Head off to some other areas and explore, see what I can find. I've been wandering around here a little bit and I found one of the old abandoned buildings. The Major General Anthony Wayne building. Down here at this building, and it's all under construction. It's a new day, new Detroit. Going off to go to the Packard Museum today and correction, I'm gonna go to the Picnard, I think is how you pronounce it, but it's the original Model T factory. So it's many of you know, we got a Model T that we're repairing, and gonna go see the origins of this place. I'm up at the old Packard plant. Got the trusty camera. Gonna see if I can capture any interesting photos while I'm up here. Just got done exploring this factory here behind me. It's pretty sketchy in there. I found a security guard, and they let me come in here and do some photography as long as they could see me. But yeah, the old Packard plant. Just got done talking to one of the security guards, and had a great conversation with him about Detroit and the future of this place, which is to get demolished. And we were talking about how Detroit's really making a comeback, and the people are really seem to be fighting to make a great community and a great future.
Yes. Left onto Russell Street, then turn right onto Pickett Avenue.
Just got done with the Piquette factory tour here at the museum. Phenomenal opportunity. If you're into car history, into Model Ts, you gotta come here. Here it is, Henry Ford's house. About a mile and a half from the Piquette factory. Pretty nice house. Pretty humble for a guy that turned out to be Henry Ford, as we know him today. Definitely worth the stop.
For a couple weeks. Some of y'all already seen on every song. I can't believe it. Thank y'all so very much for coming on out tonight. It really means the world to me.
And I get it for real. She ain't with it like she ring, I went at the crib. Planking on the main back, this is how I live. Give a bitch with that a dick, then I make it. I'm not
With a name like that, he must be Polish. He is Polish. He's a hero of Poland. Cool. It was the C's and the Z's and the Co that did it for me.
Everything that happens is motivation.
This place is absolutely wild. It was so gorgeous at one point in time.
I regard the work of motivation.
And now it's just in ruins.
Everything that